Okay, so welcome again, and let me continue the last tutorial. And here I'm going to show you how you can override this lifecycle method and how we can test it. So let me do it. It's very simple, my friend. What you need to do out here, you need to type this lifecycle method, for example, on start, and you will get hint. START. Okay, yeah, on start. So this is my first one, and then on pause, second one on pause, and third one is on resume. So you can see out here on resume, and then finally the next one is on pause. Okay, on pause is done. Okay, okay, on start, on resume, and on you can say on stop. Okay, yeah, on stop, and then on restart. All right, and then finally the on destroy here. And these are the methods. So as you know, all the methods are going to be called based on the life cycle. So when you run your application first time, it will call on start and on resume. And let me put it here. Okay, it doesn't matter where because it's Java, so you can define your method anywhere inside the class. But for the consideration, I will take it like this. So here, my friend, it will start with on start, on resume, and when you press the back button, it will move to on pause, on stop, and on destroy. When you reopen it again, it will once again call on create, on start, and on resume. And when you press the back button this time, when you press the back button, my friend, here it will follow on stop. Okay, when you press the home button, sorry, it will stop here, and when you reopen the application once again, it will follow from restart and then on start and on resume. So you can check this life cycle. It's very simple, my friend. You can use the log class. So log class is a very fundamental class. It is used to check the logs of your application. So your logs can be verbose, it means all the logs, or it can be a warning log, or it can be informative log, or it can be a cert log. So log is basically a collection of static class, and it's very simple to use out here. Let me use a log. So how you can define a log? Let me start here with a log. See, log dot. So I means informative. Okay, E means error, W means warning, A means assert. Okay, and V means the verbose. So I will go with the informative, and here this is the tag. Let's say main activity, and we are here inside on create. So it's so simple, my friend. And let me copy this line, and let me copy this one and paste it here, and let me change this to on start. And once again with the on resume, I will go back here in the on resume, and let me change this to on resume, and then the on pause here I will use on pause, and then once again to on stop. So you can use log whenever you need it, whenever you feel that okay, whether this line of code is running or not, or what kind of error that you're getting. So this is a very simple use. Later on we will talk about how we can use a log in much extended manner. So here on destroy like this. Okay, so it's so simple, my friend. And now let me run the app. So it's so simple. Let me run the app here. You can see out here, this is my application, and let me run it again. So where you can get the log, you can get the log here at the bottom. You can see out here you have a log cat, and this is my log cat here. And in this log cat, you can see out here I need to use info. Okay, and I need to search for this tag. So you can see out here before this colon, this is the tag, and this is the message that is going to be print. So here I will use the main activity. So I will copy this main activity here and put it here, paste it here. So no log available until you need to run the application. So let me run the application again, and here you can see something like this. Okay, you will have a connected device, and just wait for a while. So when this application, because this time once again application is going to be launched first, so it will follow the life cycle of on create, then on start, and then on resume. Okay, and let's see, you can see on create, on start, and on resume. So this is the first case scenario, my friend. And now let me press the back. So when I press the back, it will follow from on pause, on stop, and on destroy. It means everything will be killed. So here when I press the back button, see, you can see out here it's on pause, on stop, and on destroy. So that's why when you start this application once again, it will follow the same life cycle, that is the on create, on start, and on resume. See, let me do it here. See, on create, on start, and on resume. Now what happens when a user press the home? So here when I press the home, it will follow on pause and on stop only. And the resources will be hidden and inactive. So here you can see on pause and on stop. So that's why, my friend, when you once again press the open the application, you will follow this life cycle. It will not move to the on create, it will move to the on restart, on start, and on resume. So whatever the values that you have been initialized before, that is going to be saved. Okay, so this is how you can follow the lifecycle methods, and in the next example we will try to create a very simple applications for the basic user input and output. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.